Hi everybody. Welcome once again to Let's Build an AM/FM radio together. And this is going to be section 6 with the FM. Now, as we got going here, some of the tape got mixed up, so I just want to let you know what's going on. I'm currently, we're on the FM section. I just put section 6 together, and I'm talking about it a little bit here as we get into the video, and then we're going to get right into the test. So with that, everybody enjoy themselves, and I'll see you in the video. That's the way I did it. Marked them as I went, made sure everything was right. On this one here, the cans, there's a special note here, and you want to take note of that. And it says here, the line or notch must be pointing to the top of the PC board, and there is a line on it, okay, on the one I had. Some FM detector coils have a part number in place of the line or notch. Mine had a line, and it's pointed up, and it works real good. But on that one, normally there's only one way they can go in. There's 3 on one side, 2 on the other, plus the main base post, so it only goes in one way. On this one here, it's 3 on one side, 3 on the other, so it's one of those, okay, then you better pay attention to this. So okay, just wanted to let you know that. So we put it together. Let's see if I can get it down so you can kind of see it okay. There's the board. And let's see if we can get some light going here. Make it a little bit better. I don't know. Might end up being a lot of shadows too. But I thought I would run it through the first test, and we'll just see what happens, okay? Okay, so first test is a static measurement test. And that one is, if you can see where everything is. And here's my meter here, and okay, so let me get the positive out. Let me let everything fall over and go crazy. We're going to get a reading somewhere around 789, so you want to put it so it reads at least 9. So I'm putting mine on the 20. It says here, go up to resistor 25 and test it at the end here. It shows. So that's what I'm doing. I'm getting a reading of 8.59, and you should be between 7 and 9, so that's pretty darn close. If I go over here and where I've got the power coming in, I get 8.81. So here I got 8.59. Okay, so we know that's good. So that's the static test. Transistor current test. Connect your VOM shown in 38, and that shows it going to the emitter of Q6, which is the only transistor we have in at the moment, and record the voltage here. Okay, so I'm getting 0.84 here, and when I did it earlier I got 0.74 because I was using a battery. Now I'm going directly from my power supply. So 84. It says since the current through resistor is equal to the current through, calculate the current. So you would take the what we just got here, which was when I say 8.4. Okay. Says 8.4 divided by 22, which is 1K. So 1.84 divided by 1,000. So I get 0.8 milliamps, which is what we want. It says it should be between 0.5 milliamps and 1.1 milliamps, and we're at 0.84, so we're okay there. Alright, so that's those tests. Now we can put the multimeter aside for a second, and the next one's AC gain. Okay, AC gain. So the way we have to set it up, we have to set our generator, which I already have set up. That goes to the base of Q6. So I've got that. Now here's another thing I want to show you, that in these, for the generator, and it showed in the other one too, it shows a 0.001 microfarad capacitor at the end of this probe. Well, my probe that comes out of my signal generator has one built into it. It's right in here. So I don't have to add one outside because it's already there. So that's, you know, that's how that works. And then the grounding goes to 15. Then the scope goes to test point 8. Okay, so let's put the scope at test point 8. Okay. Let me hook it around here and be a little more stable. Test point 8. Okay. Now, I did this before too. I got some numbers that were close, but pretty, you know, we'll see what happens, okay? It says the AC gain of the ratio detector is set by the AC impedance of the primary side of T4, which is the one we're right by right now, and the current through Q6, which we're hooked up to the base by the generator. So, you know, our that's our working juice that's going through there. Okay. Okay, so the tape won't screw on me in a second. You know, hey, we're dealing with making videos, right? Okay, so what we have to do here, I'll put this back because you didn't see me finish it because the tape went out. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Turn the juice back on here. And so what we have to do is we have to test, and what we're going to do is we're going to adjust T4. Well, I've already adjusted this several times, but you know, we'll kind of adjust it again. T4. See if I can. Get the scope kind of in the picture here. Let's turn this on. Okay. We've got approximately 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have the 3 divisions, which is what we wanted to have. And I'm going to try to adjust. Okay, while that's going there, I'll try to adjust T4, see if I can get any more. And I know you shouldn't use a screwdriver. That thing's kind of bending on me, so let me see if I can get close here. Yeah, it doesn't matter going that way. Okay. Kind of, I don't know if you can see it. We'll watch and see if you can see when it gets a little bit bigger. And it's getting bigger. And that's all the further she goes. So I'm going to take it down right there, bring it back up to right there. And that's got us holding right there at our three divisions. So let me swing this back over here again. And now it says, so we've got it, that's pretty much at its maximum for just that one. And remember, we're just doing the first can, just the one can. So we got as best we could get with that. Now it says, put it on the base of, where the signal thing is. And we look down here, and I've got, I don't know if you can see it down there or not, but I've got like 6 in there, 3 areas times 2, so we got about 6. So, okay, good for that. So just go ahead and shut it off now. Now the math, well, how we do the math? Well, it says our gain can be calculated as taking the 150, which we had set there, and we're going to divide it by the voltage that we got. So we got the 0.006, right? Okay, so let's turn it on. Go 0.150 divided by 0.06. That equals 25. Okay, so it says here your calculated answer should be approximately 20. Okay, I'm getting a gain of 25, so it seems, so we're doing pretty good. You know, and that could be because I'm using the power supply directly. I'm not using it on a battery. That's, you know, usually a little bit lower, and I've got the power supply set dead on 9 volts, so that probably has a lot to do with it. So, okay, so we're good with that. All right. Now, last thing, it says connect the RF generator shown in figure 40. So let's go back to figure 40. Figure 40 says put the scope on test point 2. Okay, so putting the point on test point 2. Stop. What did I tell you, huh? What did I tell you? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. It says we don't have a sweep generator, so we can't use that. Alignment of ratio detector using an RF generator and oscilloscope. Okay, do it in 40. Okay, that's still hooked up to the base. That's where we wanted that. Oscilloscope gets hooked up to a test point 2. Excuse me. Okay, now we've got to put in a little bit of 1 kHz modulation. Turn it on to a minimum. Okay, we turn that to minimum. Peak the pink coil for maximum amplitude. And then go to T5. Okay, let's see if we can. That's just bouncing around like I can't even get it to tell you. But okay, so we're gonna see if we can peak this a little bit more. And I'll tell you what, I'm gonna turn it around so you can kind of see this like I'm seeing it. Okay, here's 4. See, that's making it go small. So let's make it go up. Okay, there's 4. Now let's go to 5 and see if we can make it go better than that. That's small. Peak, 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 peak. Small again. And that's about the peak right there. Okay, so that's the best we got so far. So I shut her off from there, and that looks like okay. That's our testing for section 6, and so we'll see you back as soon as I get 7 done. I'm gonna try that done this weekend, and we'll go into there. And then I'm also, like I said, I'm gonna swap out that transistor. That might do it. I don't know, but we'll give her a go. Okay, until then, hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you're working on yours, let me know how it's going, so we all know. You know, I mean, this is like a project for all of us, and that's the fun of it. So God bless everybody, and I'll see you real soon. Take care.